In this video, I'll show you how to export Canva to Google Slides. The easiest method is to download your Canva design as a PowerPoint file, then open it in Google Slides. First, open your design in Canva. Click Share in the top right corner. Now choose Download. For the file type, select Microsoft PowerPoint. If your design has multiple pages, make sure the correct pages are selected, then click Download. Once the file has downloaded, open Google Drive. Upload the PowerPoint file to your Google Drive. When the upload is finished, right-click the file. Choose Open With, then select Google Slides. Your Canva design will now open as a Google Slides presentation. Before you use it, quickly check the layout, fonts, images, and spacing. Some Canva effects, fonts, or animations may not transfer perfectly, so you may need to make a few small adjustments. And that's it. You've now exported a Canva design to Google Slides.